Okay, just wanted to go ahead and give you a quick tutorial on how to use the audit. So basically what you're going to receive is you're going to receive an audit questionnaire. This is here on an Excel spreadsheet. So as you can see, this first row has all the information that you're going to need to set up as far as running your audits. So let me go ahead and go over each item, and then we can go ahead and discuss that further. So basically what it is you're going to have your company name. My company name is approvemyscore. You'll have your client's name, first name, John, last name, Doe. The report source that we use is Identity IQ, and their scoring model is Cell Pump Vantage Score Model. The date of the credit report that's listed on the report itself, as well as the date of the audit. We're also going to want to add in all the positive trade lines from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So as you can see, this person had 36 on Equifax, 28 on Experian, and 39 on TransUnion. Let me go ahead and then we're going to do the same with the negative lines. So we have negative lines for Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And again, this person has 17, 15, and 17. If you come here, this is already calculated to show the amount that we charge for our pay per deletion model. So as you can see, if you take Equifax and charge $17, I think this person had a public record, and we charge $100 for the public record. Everything else is $50. So let's do 16 times 50, 800. Actually, no, he didn't. So 17 times 50 is 850. 15 times 50 is 750, and same thing, 17 times 50 is the 850 here. So the total is going to be 2450. This is going to be broken down into the audit that we print out. Okay. And then, so we're going to put the scores in there. So Equifax has a 603, Experian is at 544, and 603 with TransUnion. They do ask for AKAs, so if there's any AKAs or misspellings of each name. For Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It's going to ask for the year of birth, which is 1986 for this particular client. The current address, this is the current address here, and then the amount of inquiries. Okay, so that's what we have there. And then once all this information is filled out, you're free to go ahead and move on to the audit. Now let's say you have more than just one person. Basically what you can do is you can type in the name. If you're working on multiple files, you can type in the name of another company and another company. Okay, and we could just do Lee, and we can do Chris, and we can do Dan, and then last names we can do Smith, and we can do Richards, and we can do Chala. And then we're going to always use Identity IQ. Okay, Identity IQ is always sales point, and today it's going to be the 14th. So let's say we did all these today. Negative line. So we're going to go ahead and do this. This is just bringing the formulas down so when this information gets added in there. So we're going to do 8, 5, and 6. Let's do 7, 6, and 4. And for this one, let's go ahead and do 9, 8, and 7. So as you can see, the numbers automatically calculated. This is going to give an amount of how much it costs. And then I'm going to go ahead and do these. And, whatever the number is. Bear with me, I'm just filling out the stuff right now. Okay, so now we have all the information filled out for 4 different clients. Let's go ahead and get back into the audit, and we'll pull up the audit. So we're going to go ahead. Do you want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. So we're going to. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and do mine. Okay. So mine is already filled out, so all this information is filled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to mailings. I'm going to do a start mail merge, and I'm going to do a step-by-step procedure. We're going to use an existing list. So we'll write our letter. Let's see. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your list. And we're going to do the list from here. Audit questionnaire. Okay, and we're going to do it on that sheet 1. So this is all the information. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to write our letters. So as you can see right here, this has the name, the first name of the person, the company name. So these, and then you're just going to go ahead and write the letters. So as you can see, this first one says John. If we click to the next recipient, it changes to Lee. And then remember the third one, we used a different company. So here's the name of the person and then the ABC company. Okay. What you'll do is you're going to complete the merge. And then, actually, let's go ahead and preview the letter. So this is the one for the client, Chris. And then it gives some information in regards to educational portion. And then down here, it's going to have the information that we filled in on the system. So right here, as you come into the audit work, the scope of the work that needs to be done, it's going to have the information, how much the total is going to be, the client's name, what type of credit report, what score model they use, when the report was ran, and the date of the audit. Automatically inputs the information. Here's the information that it automatically inputs in regards to the credit scores, the person's name, the person's date of birth, and their current address on their credit report. Okay. Then it has information in regards to the credit inquiry, so you'll have this. And we'll go ahead and talk about what we consider to be high, low, and medium, or acceptable. So there's one inquiry on Equifax that's acceptable, one inquiry on Experian that's considered acceptable, not high. So we'll talk about that as well. It has more information, and then information about how much we charge if they want us to delete the inquiries. We don't really focus on it unless they want us to. And that's it. Then it goes into the information about what we need if they want to move forward with our services. And that is a complete list of 4 audits in about 15 minutes. Actually under 10 minutes. Because it just ran me 10 minutes. All I would do is complete the merge, press print. We would print all records. Okay, and it would print. So hopefully you guys, hopefully that works for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.